Dear students, we will do the next module, module 108, appointment of income tax authorities. So appointment of income tax authorities is important because they are the ones dealing with the administration and compliance of the tax laws. So it's important. So what do you mean by appointment of income tax authorities? Appointment of income tax authorities refers to the process by which central government appoints officers to administer and implement the provisions of the Income Tax Act. It can be related to tax collection, compliance with the legal notice, compliance with the filing of returns, all that. Now these authorities are responsible for assessment, collection, investigation and administration of income tax in the country. Now what is the legal provision of income tax authorities? Under section 117 of the Income Tax Act, central government is empowered to appoint various income tax authorities. You have to remember, always it's central government is appointing the income tax authorities. Government may appoint these authorities through official gazette notification, orders issued by the Central Board of Direct Taxes or CBDT. Now, who are the income tax authorities? Central Board of Direct Taxes is the apex body for income tax authority. Second is Principal Chief Commissioners of Income Tax. Third, Chief Commissioners of Income Tax. Fourth, Principal Commissioners of Income Tax. Fifth, Commissioners of Income Tax and Additional Commissioners of Income Tax. Then Joint Commissioners of Income Tax, Deputy Commissioners of Income Tax, Assistant Commissioners of Income Tax Officers, Tax Recovery Officers and Inspectors of Income Tax. Now what is the purpose of their appointment? Administer income tax laws effectively. Without their help, government cannot collect the revenue from either from partnership firm, individuals or companies. Now ensure proper assessment and collection of taxes. Prevents tax evasion. Tax planning is allowed, but tax evasion or tax avoidance is not allowed under the Income Tax Act. Conduct investigations and surveys. Now provide efficient tax administration. Then protect government revenue. Because with that revenue, government is doing their activities, administrative activities. Now the powers of the central government. Central government has the power to appoint income tax authorities, define their jurisdiction, assign duties and responsibilities, authorize higher authorities to appoint subordinate officers. So higher authorities can appoint subordinate officers. Now what is the role of CBDT in appointment? That is the Central Board of Direct Taxes, which is the apex authority in tax administration. Central Board of Direct Taxes supervises and controls the income tax department. So that is the CBDT is the short form. Central Board of Direct Taxes. They assist the central government in tax administration, issues instructions and guidelines, controls the functioning of income tax authorities, may authorize appointments and transfers of officers. They will decide which officer has to be transferred to which zone or which state, which position. All that they will decide. Now, importance of appointment of authorities. They ensure smooth functioning of the tax system, maintains administrative control and discipline, helps in efficient tax collection, improves implementation of tax laws, strengthens detection of tax evasion. Now conclusion. Appointment of income tax authorities is essential for the proper administration of the Income Tax Act. Without them, they cannot function. Now these authorities ensure assessment, collection, investigation and enforcement of tax laws in an organized and effective manner. So you have to remember, without the income tax authorities, government cannot collect the revenue due to them. So they are collecting from individuals, partnership firms and companies. So income tax authorities are playing a very effective role in collecting, in implementing the tax laws in our country, administering the tax system and collecting the correct revenue for the government. So this is what I wanted to explain in this module. Happy learning. Thank you.